Our kitchen experts researched more than 60 of the best cookware sets before testing 11 of the best options on the market side by side. For this review, each set was tested extensively while making dips, dishes, sauces, bread, stir-fry, pancakes, tuna steaks, and more. We also subjected every contender to a series of objective tests. Hello guys, in this video we're looking at the best cookware sets of 2024, and if you want more information we also put the links in the description box below. Thanks. Number 1. Cookware Pots and Pans Set Non-Stick. The Cookware 10PC Non-Stick Granite Induction perfectly blends high-end performance with an attractive price point, making this stylish cookware collection one of the best deals on our list. Its super smooth mineral-based, granite, non-stick surface performs exceptionally well, which is a win-win for the chef and for the unlucky soul pulling dish duty. We also like the comprehensive, versatile nature of the Cookware collection. It boasts 2 frying pans, a saucepan, a casserole pot, a generous sauté pan, a vegetable steamer, and several robust, vented lids. Whether sautéing, boiling, searing, braising, or frying, each piece performed very well in all our tests, leaving us scratching our heads as we compared this product's excellent performance and quality against its reasonable price tag. The words, "tremendous value," came to mind several times. Aesthetically, this collection has an inviting style that blends a modern vibe with a traditional stoneware flair. We loved cooking with our Cookware pots and pans, and we fell in love with their pleasant, easy-to-grip, always cool handles. In fact, they are our favorite handles of the whole lot. Number 2. Calphalon Premier Space Saving. Not only does the Calphalon Premier set feature the most durable non-stick coating we've tested, but it's also incredibly easy to store. It fits easily in our cupboards and won't take much to maintain. Cooking performance is excellent, with even heat distribution that makes sautéing and searing a breeze. Given its non-stick nature, loads of oil or butter aren't needed to keep food from sticking to the surface. The non-stick finish is amazingly durable, which means it's okay to use with metal tools. Quick cleanup without extra maintenance is what this cookware set is all about. It can handle the oven up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit max and comes with high-quality construction and ergonomic handles and lids. Even though it boasts easy maintenance and storage, we worry about the glass lids breaking if accidentally dropped. The lids stack easily, but the long handles get in the way, which means you can potentially knock them off the burner. Finally, be aware that you may need to use pot holders when the heat gets cranked up. We do, however, appreciate the sleek, stackable look. Number 3. Cuisinart MCP. The Lodge Seasoned Cast Iron Set is our favorite cast iron cookware set because it offers excellent heat retention and cooking performance. It can sear a tuna steak like no other, fry up eggs and pancakes, and includes a Dutch oven in the set, which we used for baking bread. When properly maintained and seasoned, and not overheated, cooking performance is unparalleled. If you're seeking a skillet, Dutch oven, and tortilla maker that'll last you for decades, this cast iron set is a great choice. Extra care, seasoning, skills, and maintenance are required to use cast iron sets in general, and some folks simply aren't interested in taking on these chores. The surface comes with a pebble finish, which may scrub off over time when metal tools are used. Be prepared to heat it slowly and use oil or butter for all cooking dishes, otherwise, you'll be dealing with stuck-on foods. Even though it's marketed as pre-seasoned, we recommend seasoning it yourself to ensure its non-stick performance. Cleaning is straightforward and doesn't require delicate care like non-stick pans, but you do need to dress it with oil after use. Number 4. Lodge Seasoned Cast. The Green Pan Levels hard anodized stackable ceramic non-stick offers the best stackability and storage of any cookware set we tried. The finish is built with multiple layers of diamond-infused ceramic, which is meant to make it quite durable. It stands out for its excellent cooking performance, features, and simple stackable design. The pans are balanced and sturdy, and the handles stay cool while you cook. We appreciate the pour-off features on the pots that make transferring soups or sauces quite easy. It's also simple to wipe clean, or you can put it into the dishwasher. The pans feel heavy and sturdy, which lends a sense of good craftsmanship. While we found a lot to like about this set, we also have a few gripes. We noticed the non-stick is stickier than other contenders. The egg stuck and tore during our egg test, which wasn't an issue we had with most other non-stick cookware. The green pan levels are not recommended for use above medium heat, which feels very limiting if you like to sear or stir fry in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.